Today, I'm going to teach you how to add conditional formatting in Smartsheet. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically highlight important data based on specific conditions, making it easier to spot trends, deadlines, or critical information at a glance. To get started, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Smartsheet homepage where all your files and sheets are stored. Now that you're on the homepage, you'll need to locate the specific sheet where you want to add conditional formatting. Browse through your existing files or sheets and click on the one you'd like to work with. This will open up the sheet in your workspace, giving you full access to all its features and data. With your sheet now open, look for the conditional formatting option. This is typically found in the toolbar at the top of your sheet. Click on Conditional Formatting, and from the menu that appears, select Add New Rule. This is where you'll begin setting up your formatting conditions to automatically highlight certain cells or rows based on your criteria. The next step is to define what triggers the formatting. Click on Set Condition to open the Condition Builder. Here you can select a specific column from your sheet that you want to monitor. Once you've chosen your column, you'll see options to select from predefined criteria, or you can click on Define Custom Criteria if you need more specific conditions tailored to your unique needs. This flexibility ensures that your conditional formatting works exactly how you want it to. After you've set your condition, click OK to confirm it. Now it's time to decide how you want the data to look when it meets your condition. Click on this form and you'll be able to customize the appearance of your formatted cells. You can adjust the font type, font size, font format, and even the font color. These visual changes make it easy to quickly identify important information when scanning through your sheet. Next, you'll want to determine what part of your sheet gets formatted. Click on Entire Row if you want the formatting to apply across the whole row when the condition is met. This is particularly useful when you want to draw attention to complete entries rather than just individual cells. Selecting the entire row ensures that nothing gets overlooked and your data remains easy to interpret. And there you have it. You've successfully set up conditional formatting in Smartsheet, which will now automatically highlight your data based on the rules you've created. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.